Hey guys, it's Brittany, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you are a returner, then what's up? So we are going to be planning in my gratitude journal for today, and so we are going to be planning for August 19th through August the 25th. It is so crazy to believe that we are in the middle of August. The year has just flown by, but without further ado, if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. For my spread this week, I chose to pull out Simply Lovely. This is a book that I do not show a lot of love to, but I really love the book. If you understand where I'm coming from, it is so cute, but every time I open it, I'm just like, I don't know what to do or where to go with it. So I am going to try to use this book in my gratitude journal today. Let's go ahead and flip that open and see what we can come up with. Sorry about the stomping. I live in an apartment, so y'all, those who live in an apartment probably understand where I'm coming from. But when I was flipping through here, something caught my eye, and it was one of these boxes, Good Days Only, jotted down. So I was thinking about maybe putting one of these right here. I don't know if it will fit or not, but I'm thinking with going with these pinks, golds, and the baby blue. So let's see if this right here will fit. And then I actually should have put some of these roses that they have inside of this book underneath. So I'm gonna actually lift this up a little bit and put some of the roses, like kind of peekabooing from underneath here. Gonna lift it up just a little bit. This sticker stuck down really well, and you guys know that when I am using different stickers, I like to cut them just to get more stickers. That's just it. I just like to have a lot of sticker, and especially when I like to kind of like layer them underneath stuff like this. This is a perfect way to be able to still like not feel like I'm covering up so much of my stickers. So we have that laid down. I think that's super cute. As you all know, over here, a girl has been struggling with adding more decor on that side of the page, and I'm still working on that. So I saw these different circles and different shapes that I thought would be cute to incorporate over here, because it still gives me lots of space to write without making me feel like I don't have writing space. So I'm gonna add a few of these throughout. Go back to the front and see if I can find what I want my focus to be. Be good to people is a really good one. And then just keep growing. Love this thing called Life of Mine. You are enough. Maybe I'll do this You Are Enough as my focus, and I am going to do a little bit, some flowers maybe underneath that. So this book has I've probably only gone into this book maybe a few times, more so because they have some really cool icons in the back that I like to use. So I've definitely gone into this book for that purpose. So I'm gonna put that right there, and then I'm gonna grab this You Are Enough sticker and kind of put that right here. And then I'm gonna take another one of these and kind of put it at the top, I think. So this sticker I am actually going to have to cut once I put it on the page. Since we cut off this little access, I'm just gonna add it kind kind of right up here. I've been doing a lot with flowers lately on my spreads. Sorry for those who may get bored with that. I just really been into florals lately. Alright, so I am liking how that came out so far. And I'm just gonna continue to flip. Of course, I'm gonna go back and add some more of these florals towards the end of my decorating. I like these little pom-poms too, so let's go ahead and see if we can add some of these. Also, my goal recently in my plan with me's are to stay within frame, because I've been having a really hard time staying in frame. Just for me, like going back watching my videos, just like one of my little critiques that I've been giving myself, like, hey girl, you're doing good, but you need to stay in frame. So I'm working on that, which is just like, I feel like it's just because I'm new and it's just a challenge, but it's not something that is not doable. So I'm just working on making sure I'm staying in frame, checking my viewfinder out a little bit more. Ooh, you have magic? That would be cute. And then find something to layer with that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this box up because we are going to use it. And then, ooh, we probably could do, I'm going to do that. So I am actually going to cut this box in half. Y'all know I love splitting some boxes. I am going to actually, let's see, where can we put this? So we have this right here. And I think I'm going to just, oops, I didn't want my bows upside down. So I'm gonna do it kind of like that. And where can we put this? Maybe, is that too much? We're gonna roll with it. So we're gonna put that right there. And then I saw this box right here while we were at it. I can add this box over here to two of my days and kind of use that as writing space as well. Ooh, that went down so cricket, y'all. She gotta come up. Rip the sticker a little bit, but that is okay because I could not live with that. I know I need some boxes to cover these things up. There is some cute washi. Let's see, we could do this gold washi right here, just to cover that up, as well as this blue washi right here, and I'll put like a little box or something. So over here, I can make some, what can we do with these boxes? Some little remembers. Remember box right there. And then another, let's do errands. Even though I normally don't use this planner to write down errands or anything like that, but dang, now I wish I had switched them. So we're not gonna do the errands box. I think I'm going to do, we'll find a different one. I could do this today box right here. So I feel like this side is definitely done, and we are going to focus a little bit more on this side. I like these cute little bows. Little bow. And I just thought about something at the very top. So where I saw that cute washi back here, I'm gonna add that right across there. liking how things are coming together. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add my florals, and guess what, y'all? This spread will be done. Go ahead and pull out colorful boxes, and I am going to add some black small boxes so I can kind of write my mood tracker in, which will be right over here. Right, mood tracker. I feel like this box needs a little flower in it or something. It's just too blah blah for me. Let's see if I have a small little rose that can go right over there in that area. I'll put that right there. This is very like, whew, it's a lot. It's definitely outside of my comfort zone. Alright guys, so this is my completed spread for the week of August the 19th through August the 25th. I love how this spread turned out. It is definitely way, and I say way, outside of my comfort zone, but it actually turned out really well. I'm definitely challenging myself to use some of my sticker books that I have been shying away from, but I definitely adore, but you just kind of like put them off to the side. So that is what happened with this spread. What got me to step outside of my comfort zone. Also, a couple of weeks ago on my YouTube channel, I hit 100 subscribers and I had a giveaway going on. So in this video today, I want to announce the giveaway winner. So what I did to select the giveaway winner, I put everyone's name inside of this automatic generator that I found online, and the winner is Chantel. I'll definitely put her name across the screen. So Chantel, if you're watching, be sure to reach out to me so that I can send you your giveaway prizes, and congratulations. Also, for those who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and for everyone, make sure that you hit the like, you share this video, also that your notification bells are turned on so that you don't miss a video every time I upload, and I'll get at you guys in the next one. Bye!